Today we are learning about lattice multiplication. This is an alternative way to do multiplication. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to multiply 2-digit, 3-digit, and 4-digit numbers using lattice multiplication. And here is an introduction video to lattice multiplication.
Two-digit multiplication problem, 43 times 36. First, draw a box. Then add your problem to the top and to the right of the box. Then draw lines that line up with each number. Next, add the diagonal lines and make sure they go outside the box. Let's do 4 times 3 first. The answer is 12. The tens place goes on the top and the ones place goes on the bottom. So the 1 goes on top and the 2 goes on the bottom. 4 times 6 is 24. 2 goes on top and 4 goes on the bottom. 3 times 3 equals 9. Place a 0 on the top since this doesn't have a number in the tens place, and the 9 goes in the ones place on the bottom. And 3 times 6 equals 18. We have multiplied each number and all the answers are in the correct box. Now we add each number placed in the diagonal areas from right to left. Place the 8 down first, then add 4 plus 1 plus 9 to get the answer 14. Place the 4 on the bottom and carry the 1 up on the other diagonal area and add 2 plus 2 plus 1 to get 5. Then we place the 1 to the left and we get our final answer, which is 1,548.
To set up your lattice multiplication, we are multiplying 12 by 11. So you put 12 across the top to the right, so it's 1 and then 2, and then down you go down the side, so you have your 11. We're going to start with a 2 by 2 lattice. We're multiplying 14 by 21. So you're going to put your 1 here, your 4 here, because you're taking 14 across the top, and 21 down the side. You need to set up your diagonals. And make sure they extend all the way out the side of your lattice so you don't confuse your numbers. First, you're going to multiply your 1 by your 2, which is 2. You put the 0 in your top triangle and the 2 in the bottom triangle. Then you're going to multiply 4 by 2, which is 8. And don't forget your 0 in the top triangle. You're going to multiply 1 by 1, which is 1. And then 4 by 1, which is 4. After that, you're going to bring all your numbers and your diagonals down. So you have 4 here. 8 plus 1 is 9. And then you just have 2 here and 0 here. So your answer, 14 times 21 is 294. So now we are multiplying a 3 by 2 lattice. We're going to multiply 302 by 22. So which number goes on top?
Nice.
302 goes across the top. And then 22 goes down the right side of your lattice. Which numbers do you multiply first? You are going to multiply the 3 by the first 2. So 3 by 2 equals 6. And don't forget your 0 in your top of your box. Next, you will multiply the 0 by the 2, which is 0. And you have to put a 0 in both of your triangles. Then you'll multiply 2 by 2, which is 4. Which number do you multiply next? You'll multiply the 3 by the bottom 2, which is 6. Multiply 0 by the bottom 2, which is 0 again. and then 2 by 2, which is 4. What do you do next? Next, you are going to add your numbers in each diagonal. So your first one is just 4. So bring your 4 down to the bottom. Your next one is just 4 again. Just bring your 4 down to the bottom. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6 again. And then you have 0 on the top. So to find your answer, you're going to read down the side. So you have 0 through 6. And then to the right, down the bottom. So your answer is 6,644. I've attached a homework worksheet for you to complete for class tomorrow. Please complete that and remember that the biggest number goes across the top. The next number goes down the side. Do not forget to bring your diagonals all the way outside of the lattice. And when you read your answer, you find your answer by going down the left side and to the right across the bottom.